Hey everyone, welcome back to Crafting with JC. Today I am going to share with you a couple quick and very easy fall DIYs for your home. As it is with every one of my DIYs, these will only cost you no more than a few dollars to make, but in the end it will look like you spent a whole lot more. So let's get started. I bought these fall-shaped trays from Dollar Tree. They are so adorable and they have a metallic bottom. I'm going to elevate them by placing these candle holders from Dollar Tree as well underneath. I will be pairing this adorable leaf tray with a ceramic candle jar. I love the shape of the jar. It reminds me of a pumpkin. I'm going to paint it a dark color, so I turn it over and remove the sticker on the bottom. This is the shade Pavement from Apple Barrel. It's not black, but it's a nice deep dark gray. And once that has dried, I apply hot glue on the top rim of the jar and place the leaf on top. And that is it! Very quick and easy. For the second tray, I will be pairing this pumpkin-shaped tray with this porcelain candle holder. It's light blue, so I'll be spray painting it white. And once that is dry, I apply hot glue and place a pumpkin tray on top. Again, very easy, but it makes such a dramatic difference. For the next DIY, you will need 48 tumbling tower blocks, which I got from Dollar Tree, and they came in a pack of 72. I'm going to stain them using Apple Barrel's Nutmeg Brown, and I dilute it with water to thin it out. It goes on beautifully just like a stain, but it dries very fast. I group about 3 blocks at a time and apply the color. And I'm just painting on top because I will be gluing these side by side and I want a good bond between them. When I'm done with the piece, I will go back and touch up any areas needed. Once dried, I'm going to glue 3 blocks together at a time, and I like to glue them face down so that when I turn them over, the surface will be flat and smooth. I'm using Super Glue's wood glue, which I got from Dollar Tree. I've never used this glue before, so I wanted to give it a try, and wow, it holds amazingly well and it dries fast. 2 ounces of wood glue for $1 is not a bad deal. Once done, I end up with 16 of these groups of 3s, and so now I glue them together to form a rectangle with 8 on top and 8 on the bottom, and I alternate the directions, gluing them horizontal and then vertical. I will be gluing this thankful sign from Dollar Tree on top of the wood piece. It measures just over 15 by 7 inches. I am going to paint it using the shade Pavement from Apple Barrel, so I just brushed that all over the front and in between the letters. I also painted the edges and any exposed areas as well as the back. To give it some dimension, I lightly sand the edges of the letters. I love the deepness of the color, so I leave the front area as is, and I just do a very light sanding on the edges. You can glue this several ways. You can glue it down right in the middle, just like that. But I do want to place some decorative items on top as well, so I position it towards the back. And I want to elevate it just a bit, so I take 2 tumbling blocks and paint them the same color, and I place them underneath the sign. Once I position it where I want it to be, I glue it down. When the glue has completely dried, I decorate using little pumpkins and pine cones from Dollar Tree. And that is it. Such a lovely piece of decor that cost only a few dollars to make, and a wonderful reminder to always be thankful. I hope you enjoyed these quick and simple DIYs. Thank you so much for watching. I am very, very thankful for each and every one of you. Hope you have a wonderful day today. Bye!